Hi. I am very excited today to be able to bring you a line of products that I had not heard of before. This was sent to me for me to review, and I will be reviewing it, but for today, I'm just going to do the unboxing and show you exactly what it is that I received. I will say when I opened the box, I was really excited. The first thing I saw was this sleep mask. And I thought, how phenomenal is that? We were just talking about it, certainly with regard to those who have to have tests done, like an MRI, where if you put a mask on and you can't see what's happening, you don't have to worry about the claustrophobia. So here goes. Whoops. Well, I didn't do that terribly well. But here you go. I will tell you, I can see absolutely nothing under here. It's silk. It feels wonderful. It really does. So let's see what this group of products does. I frankly was only expecting them to send me 1 or 2 products to review, but they sent me a line of products, and I'm very excited about it. What I got in it is the silk eye mask. I got the Natural Beauty for normal skin. I got a sponge, a konjac sponge. I got the eye cream and overnight radiance, and I will show each one of those to you. And what I loved reading what I read on their website, and I'll link below to it. It's www.nudu.com, NUDU.com. And what it says is, radiant glowing skin begins with the right products. I believe that healthy skin is beautiful skin. That's why there are no toxic chemicals in any NUDU products. Our luxurious formulas care for your skin long term to keep you looking and feeling your very best. Over time, I want NUDU to mean a new you. Well, that certainly goes along with everything that I'm all about here, because this entire channel is about the new you and embracing that. She wants us to be happy and confident in our own unique natural beauty. And what it says here, and it shows all of the products. And I'll just go over it a little bit with you, and then you know I'm going to use them and I'm going to try them for you. I'm going to do what I always do with new products. I will show them to you. I will demonstrate them for you. I will tell you how I feel about it, my initial reaction to it, and then I'm going to come back after I'm using it for a little while and tell you how it is for me over time. I'm inclined to want to like it because it's got some really nice things about it. The number one step is to purify. It says relax. NUDU's natural cleansers get rid of dirt and makeup without stripping your skin. Feel clean and soft, not tight. The NUDU cream cleanser is for all skin types. It removes dead skin cells using pineapple, moisturizes your skin with hyaluronic acid. It fights wrinkles with anti-aging pomegranate. It repairs and softens your skin with pure botanical oils. All of it sounds really good. Step 2 is balance. Stay hydrated and fresh for hours. NUDU's toner revives your skin's natural defenses. NUDU, oh, then it has a gel cleanser. Let's see. That's the toner. I'm not sure which ones I have. I have the eye cream, the gel cleanser, the reviving toner, gentle moisturizer, and overnight radiance renew cream. It really sounds absolutely wonderful, and I did get this sponge with it, but let me show you. I'm very anxious to try the eye cream because I'm at the stage now where I'm running low on the eye creams I've been using, and I'd be more than happy to try another one that works well. This sounds great. The NUDU eye cream is anti-aging for all skin types. It has softening safflower, black currant and kiwi oils. It boosts your skin's elasticity with, I'm not sure if it's ribose or ribose. It heals with chamomile flower, calms with cucumber, and moisturizes with hyaluronic acid. It all sounds absolutely wonderful. It says that all of their products are safe. They use ingredients that are safe. They're nude and proud. The products contain no parabens, no detergents, SLS or SLES, no benzyl alcohol, no xylitol, I'm not sure, no, phenoxyethanol, no nanoparticles, no peroxides, no PEG, no harsh preservatives, no silicone, no synthetic perfumes, and no artificial colors. They're GMO free and the products are never tested on animals. It sounds really, really wonderful. So I will be trying them. Let me just show you quickly what I got. It gives you a quick start guide and tells you to read it first. I will do that before I apply. I will try to do it tonight and I'll take you with me when I do that. Or I'll do it either tonight or tomorrow. And then I'll definitely give you that part of it. And this is what the thing looked like. Now, don't forget, I had that mask on top. And these are the packages as they arrived. So it's the gel cleanser, the reviving toner, and I need a good toner, gentle moisturizer, overnight radiance renew cream, and the eye cream. All of which really look great. And of course the sponge. So let's see what the sponge is. For skin that feels like pure silk, you'll love NUDU's cleansing and exfoliating sponge. The konjac sponge is a simple yet astonishingly effective beauty secret from Asia that exfoliates and cleanses pores, suitable for sensitive skin, made from 100% organic vegetable fiber. Directions on first use: soak your sponge in warm water until it's fully expanded and feels soft. Press between palms to dispel excess water. Massage wet sponge over your face and décolleté, neck and décolleté. Be gentle rather than vigorous on your skin. Rinse well and hang in a cool place to dry. Use every second or third day and discard after 3 months. So let me open it and I'll show it to you. This is what it looks like. And it is on a string so you can hang it up to dry. So I'll be trying that all for you very shortly. Let's see. Let me look at the gel cleanser. It says, get gorgeously clean with NUDU gel cleanser and relax into the silky cleanse of sugar and coconut with lemon balm, witch hazel, and horse chestnut for soothed, smoothed, happy skin. This is what the packaging looks like. Very pretty packaging. I really like that. I really love when they do nice packaging. Gently massage cleanser onto face, neck, and décolletage. Rinse well with lukewarm water and pat dry. For best results, use morning and night, and follow with the NUDU Reviving Toner. I'm going to try to do it later. So once again, I'll take you along with me on the ride. I want to thank the company for sending it to me and giving me an opportunity to try these products. So I will be back with my review of it, and I will certainly be back to tell you how I feel about it over time. So that's it for this moment, and I'll be back soon. I have to tell you, I went into an absolute panic this morning when all of a sudden my internet went out. It went out on everything. It wouldn't let me sign back in. The normal things that worked weren't working. I unplugged and replugged and rebooted and did everything. Nothing. And I thought, oh my God, what happened? then about an hour later, the service was restored, and about an hour later, I got a message from Optimum that in fact they must have had some technical issues, but that the service was back up and running. We become so dependent on this. I felt as if I was cut off from the world, from all of you. Not good. I'm happy we're back.